DirectFix.com presents
the iPhone 4 Power Switch and Sensor Flex Cable Replacement Guide. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
To begin, remove the SIM card tray with either the SIM card ejection tool or a similar object. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove the two screws at the bottom of your phone. Push up and remove the back cover. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw securing the battery. Use a case opener tool or similar object to carefully remove the battery. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the shields covering the various connectors. Remove the vibrator. Using a case opener tool, you may now disconnect the exposed connectors. Remove two Phillips screws securing the motherboard. And using a flathead screwdriver, remove this large screw at the top of the motherboard. Use your case opener tool to remove the earpiece receiver module. Remove the 2 Phillips screws securing the standby on-off switch. Using a case opener tool, remove the power standby button. Remove this small bracket. You can now remove the power standby button and proximity sensor ribbon. Remove these small plastic frames from your previous button assembly. Now place the frame onto your new button. Place the physical standby power button into its well. You can now place your new power standby button and proximity sensor ribbon. Replace the small bracket covering the electronics on the ribbon. You can now place the power standby button. Now secure the power standby button with the 2 Phillips screws. And now you can place the ear speaker over the ribbon. Please be sure to check our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.